Roseanne, weeknights at 6 on 33.
This is Doppler radar, a high-power radar picture you'll find only on News Team 33. This is the severe thunderstorm wind that only News Team 33's exclusive Doppler radar can detect. News Team 33's radar is the only radar that's capable of seeing wind, so only News Team 33 can see severe weather early and get severe weather updates to you fast. Doppler radar, exclusively on KSPR-TV. We're here for you.
News Team 33, your only CNN news source in the Ozarks.
Sally made it feel safe for me to be with my father for the first time in 7 years.
Sally is really interested in the truth. That's all she wants.
I'll always remember the compassion, the care, and the time that she gave me. You can tell that she feels what you say.
It simply has to be Sally.
Sally Jesse Raphael, weekdays at 3. News Team 33 is committed to the people of the Ozarks. We bring you news that matters, news that makes life easier. Wednesdays on Live at 5, Med Team 33's Dr. Don Ogren provides you with helpful health updates. With tips on how to make your dollar work for you is financial focus expert Mitch Holm, Tuesdays at 5. And with your entire family in mind, 33 veterinarian Dr. Douglas Lee presents Little Orphan Animal, Tuesdays at 5. Our team of experts is here for you on News Team 33.
This is KSPR 33 Cable 8.